Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this series, we are going to learn some easy ways to ask and answer some common questions in English. It's really useful and it's only take 3 minutes. In this lesson, you're going to learn new and more common ways to ask and answer the question, how are you in English? Probably heard. How are you? And I am fine. But people can usually ask this question and answer it in a different way. Let's first review. If someone says, how are you? I'm fine. I'm fine. Here are other ways to answer. Pretty good. Pretty good. This means about the same thing as I'm fine. We can also have not bad. Not bad. You can also use this if you're feeling just okay or so-so. Let's look at our question again. How are you? How are you? This is the most well-known way of asking how someone is. But now, let's look at some different ways to ask how someone is. First, hey, how's it going? Hey, how's it going? If you're feeling good, you can also say good, pretty good, not bad. Let's revise. Good, pretty good, not bad. Here is a tip. Even though these answers mean the same thing as I'm fine, you can't answer how's it going with I'm fine. It will sound a bit strange. If you're not feeling good, you can say not so good, not so good, or not great, or not so well, not so well. But be careful. If you say one of these, the other person will usually ask, why? What's wrong? To be polite. Then you'll have to explain. Another casual but very common version of how are you is what's up? What's up? To reply, use a cheerful voice as you say, not much, not much, or nothing much, nothing much. Since what's up is just another way of saying hello, so you can also reply with hi or hey. So it's time for my advice. A lot of time when we ask questions that mean how are you in English, we're not actually asking the other person's health. We're only asking to be polite. You should think of these questions as another way of saying hello, a way for the conversation to get started instead of actual literal questions. In fact, when someone asks you what's up, so you do not have to answer. Just say what's up in reply. Do you know the difference between what do you do and what are you doing? It's a little tricky, but we will explain it simply in the next English in 3 minutes lesson. So take care everyone and bye bye.